Hello, everyone. This is Sayed, or most people call me Waji. This is just the tour of my site. So my site is basically it's called YYCME, your guide to Calgary from a man with too much time on his hands. So far, I have recorded 2 episodes, and they're food based. I really think I'm using this site as an excuse just to eat all the delicious food around Calgary. So hopefully, you guys check out the videos and if you're ever in Calgary, know a good burger spot and a hot dog joint to hit up. Just at the bottom of my homepage, I do have my disclaimer, as well as giving credit to the 2 photos that I did use, as well for Unsplash. I got my Twitter and out there as well. I have my About page, which just gets into the me part of the YYC and me. I'm just going for a very light-hearted blog here. Just mainly for my entertainment. Hopefully, it makes a couple of people laugh or maybe most likely cringe. Just have like a little fake testimonial page here where I just make up some people giving some testimonies about my blog and reviews. So I hope that makes somebody at least smile. And then I have my contact information right here just to kind of go over everything. And it's just my email right now, as like my Twitter is already there as well. So hopefully, you guys enjoy the site. If you guys have any feedback, criticisms, or just want to tell me to any suggestions for food as well, I'll be more than happy to check that out for you. I hope you guys have a great day.